Just testing my game sound. See, I'm hearing that well loud. Yeah, that's a better sound level.
Yo, heads up!
No, you're just
We have captured the control point.
yeah, getting fished. 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 Fish, 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 fish. I'm just gonna fish people. Let's go have some fun fishing. Tonight I like a fish dish. Oi. Oh, you got on my face. I needed that so much. Oh god, 1 health. Hello. Hello, YouTube. Sorry about the completely unintroductible beginning. This wasn't originally going to be a YouTube video. This was just going to be a sound test. But if the sound is okay, which if you're hearing this, I'm guessing it is, then you should be up. So yes, I didn't expect to get 2 fish kills right at the start. I'm well happy about that. Every game I've played so far, I've been no kills. Now the buy box. Yeah, monster. Amazing chest ahead. What a name. Anyway, yes, hello. I recorded a match of Sawmill, and I basically turned TF2's volume down. Now TF2's volume is turned up. The thing was, I recorded a 20-minute match where it actually went quite well. I talked about quite a lot of stuff. I'm very loud in it. It is very quiet. God damn it! I gotta stop trying to go for the fish kill.
Hey, Will!
Are you an idiot? Oh, good.
In 60 seconds.
It's got Blitzauger. I should have realised. Why would any medic go battle medicing and go Blitzauger? No way are you a normal heavy. Shit, there's a sniper.
Mission ends in 30
I'm the luckiest. Oh, damn, I'm dead. Right, hello. Yes, I am very quiet at the moment. Well, not very quiet, I'm quite loud. But, yes, hello. I've been playing a lot of other games at the moment. I keep playing WoW a lot, I keep playing a lot of Fallout. Fallout 3 is broken for me. I can't play Fallout 3, literally it won't load, it doesn't get past the being born. So, I have to play New Vegas, well, Blues instead of playing. Oh, come on, what crit fish? Crit fish. Please, crit fish. Oh, god damn, I'll record. Well, here we go.